Okay, so I want to show you a version on how to activate your psoas muscle while you're seated, like if you're at a desk or you're at work. This only takes just a couple of minutes, but I'm going to show you what this looks like here. We're going to use this yoga block. I recommend you get it at TJ Maxx, probably for $4, so pretty cheap. So that block will be there. So what we're doing is we're going to lift the leg and then bring it over and down, up and over and down. So what you're going to want to look for, though, is you're going to want to make sure that you're not, that this angle is less than 90 degrees. What I mean by that is this. So you're going to want to be less, that's where we can really activate the hip. Okay, so again, here we go, up and over and down, up and over and down. When you get good at that, flip it, go a little bit higher. And I want to make sure we clarify something. When you go up, it's not this and then down. It's actually picking up the hip and over and down. When you get good at that, you can flip it this way, up and down. So a couple of things that I'll say as far as reps, sets. I wouldn't say that you have to do reps or sets. Just work at it for about a minute. If you're doing this and you start fatiguing, the place that it'll show up the most is this, almost like these tendons right in here. They'll get very, very sore. And essentially what's happening is your hip flexor is getting so weak that you're recruiting your quadricep. So if that happens, then back it off and come back to it later. I recommend doing this. Work on it for a couple of minutes a day, 1 minute at a time. I want to show you some of the pitfalls to make sure that you don't do that. I'm going to show you what it looks like from the side. Make sure you're not doing this or this, where you're trying to hike the hip up to make it, go that way. So again, just very, very simple, up, over, and down. And that is it.